Hello, my denture community. I hope everyone's doing good and feeling good. It is time to do a gifting for one lucky, maybe two. Okay, I did buy one because there's some things in here I've never seen before throughout the denture community. So I had to get it close up. Hold on. I need to go grab the sanitizer. I'll be right back. Okay, there is a reason why I'm adding hand sanitizer. You will see in a bit. But I think these little denture goodie bags from Perma Laboratories are great starter kits, especially if you're fixing to be a denture wearer and you have no clue where to go, what to get. Well, here you go. They come with 20 denture cleaning tablets, a denture brush. I do believe you can pick your color. This is a washable finger wipe. It removes adhesive, cleans mouth and denture. Woohoo! This is a moist towel to remove extra adhesive from your hands and your face. I do like the material of this little bag. In case it gets wet, you just wipe. I like it. I like it. Okay, I did have an extra moist towel to open up and show you. This is to remove extra adhesive from your hands, your face. It's a good size too. I've never seen these before. Nice addition to the little goodie bag for sure. Okay, I wanted to show you the denture box. This is one of the good ones, guys. And I do believe you can pick your color on the website from Perma Laboratories. It's got the little portable tray to transport your little dentures safely. It's a good one. Okay, this unopened denture goodie bag was donated from Perma Laboratories. I will pick the one lucky to receive it on Monday, March the 18th. Your comment is your entry. I will not comment to no one but the two luckies.